There's two brick walls in between. He is. They're knocking it down.
You can hear it falling.
They just knocked that section down. He blew a hole right through it. Look, you can see the steel structure now. You see the steel structure.
Look, see the little orange?
Oh, because that's where that fire was coming out. They actually knocked that wall down. Unbelievable. That pressure is amazing.
And look how far it is.
I know.
Like almost a block radius.
Good over a block.
Well,
that's 150-foot stream. 200-foot stream, maybe. Let's listen. We're going to hear more bricks go down. There's the drone.
Yeah.
See it right here, dear? Oh, yeah. And it's a really big one, too. I mean, it's humongous.
Yeah, I see it now.
I wonder if that's the city or the news.
Look at that.
I thought I had it on camera.
Now it's showing red.
Wow, look how fast that drone's going.
That thing's zooming.
Somebody's got to be operating it.
I almost guaranteed by now the news team has a drone or a helicopter.
Well, that drone's been up there since I started taking a video. So I believe it's either Shelbyville Police Department or the Shelbyville Fire Department. And I know one of them has one. I think it's the police department. So maybe they're letting them use it to help them.
Hey, I'm sure the news will give information.
I'm shaking. It's cold. I know the pressure on those is really strong. Man. There it goes. That corner's going to collapse, I think. There it went. Some of it.
I heard it.
Oh wow! You can see the steel structure now.
Another.
That guarantees it'll tear it down now.
Yeah, there ain't gonna be much left of it.
No. Those bricks collapsed when they were going down.
You can still see the flames. They're small.
I seen one little flame right before that first. Oh yep, I see a flame. Small.
Yeah, you can barely see it.
I'm shivering so much in my hand. Seems to me, anybody listening and watching, that the fire is trapped between two brick walls or whatever, and they're knocking the bricks down to get to it with the pressure of the hose.
Especially that truck that's over here.
That is amazing. It really is.
I didn't know they had one that powerful. They had to have came from out of town.
We've got a real nice truck. That's probably ours over there on the right. It's Shelbyville's, I believe.
Yeah, it could be. There's pressure coming from both ways, but that right one's putting out the most pressure.
Here comes the drone again.
Yeah,
I would love to see who's doing that. There's got to be somebody on the street.
Watch that side wall there fall down.
This
First
one?
I thought, man, that was really close to the fire truck. before they lifted the
He shut off his water or he ran out. They might be confident they got that part out. I pause and come back. Walked over here, they just landed the drone. I was trying to figure out who was flying it.
About 43 degrees.
I think it's that gentleman right there. Where's my finger at? And I seen the truck that they were, looked like they were operating it out of the sheriff's department. Oh, my camera messed up. Look at that. That's what happens to cameras sometimes.
Oh, good.
I don't know what to do. I gotta stop it. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all.